The Lord Jesus Christ said unto him, Rise, take up thy bed and walk. Hey, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today, let us go to John chapter 5 and encourage you to read from verses 1 through to 15, the man at the pool of Bethesda. I'm encouraging you. It is a wonderful story. He had an infirmity for 38 years. You can see that in verse 5. But we're going to go to verse 8. Jesus said unto him, Rise, take up thy bed and walk. He didn't even question. And verse 9 said, and immediately the man was made whole and took up his bed and walked. And on the same day was the Sabbath. Now the Lord didn't come to break the Sabbath, but he come to fulfill, because he's the peace.